So guys, why are headlock attacks so efficient? Because in our physiognomy, in our body, and how the body works, we say always, head is king. And a lot of people don't know that, they don't pay attention to that, and this is why they really don't know how it works. Head is king means what? If you're coming towards me, let's go. I just have to turn, and it's very easy to turn the head away. Why? It's a natural movement where the head shows, the body goes. When you watch yourself that you're turning somewhere, you're walking and the head turns first. We don't do this. No one does that. Right. So when I walk, the head turns first. Where the head shows, the body goes. So when you're coming towards me, and it's the easiest way, and someone's like, no, I'm gonna put my chin down and I'm gonna be firm here. Would you? Would you? Without my explanation, without me knowing what I do. Would you? Right. So all these guys, they're magicians, right? And even if she does that, you come towards me. You see? Can you do this? And you see, you didn't really come so close. You stopped here, right? No, please come very close. Can you avoid this? No. No. So we don't play stupid things, because this explanation is meant to show you someone does not know what you're doing, just turn the head. Someone is talking to you, intimidating you, like this, just turn the head. That's done. You see, whatever you can do there. Okay? But you see, the important thing is now, when I explain first, and you know what I'm doing, you start to anticipate, you start to do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Play the role. Okay? I'm here, I'm the bad guy. The only thing you have to do, grab in here and twist. Yes, because someone who intimidates you, is he anticipating or expecting you to do something? Because he picked a target, a victim, right? So I'm gonna be here, what do you want? And this is what's gonna happen to everyone. So someone who is like, no, I can put my chin down, of course, especially when a man approaches a woman, he's like, hey you know what? I'm so dangerous. This is stupid. Whoever practices like that is an idiot, okay? So you see, I'm gonna be here having what? This is what's gonna happen. The next thing, she can ram her elbow into my neck. Do the same thing, do the same thing. Yes, and you can ram your elbow into my neck. How would you feel about that? She's like, I like that. Okay? So, head is king. Head is king means whatever I do here, okay, her body follows the movement of the head. If I do this, it's this. If I do this, it's this. With the guillotine, you see, I lift, her body lifts with me. Okay, in front of my body, you see, it's always this little movement. Head is king. Where the head shows, the body goes. Keep it as it is. Okay? Now, I'm gonna show you what to do against a guillotine. You have to be quick. Okay, I'm gonna show it very slowly. Okay, so he can follow up, but you have to be quick when it happens. If I have you here, the moment I try to close in, before I have closed, okay, try to move in a little bit and lift your head up behind my shoulder and turn towards me. That's it. Towards me. No, towards. That, yes, that's towards me. And you have to punch whatever you want to do. Okay? Immediately. Okay? The next thing is, if I have closed here a little bit, you see, I'm starting to lift you at this point, and this is for you hard to manage, right? So try to push your head down. Yes, and then when I'm at my lowest point here, then again what you did before, rise up, yeah, that's it. But this has to be done fluently and immediately. If you get stuck, you're gonna get unconscious. For practice, we do it slowly, and then in the end, when we see it's gonna work, we're gonna speed up a little bit. Okay? So for the first part of the guillotine, either you are here a little bit, yes, you see? Hold on a second. Either here or either this here. It's the same thing because you're next to my body, you're not in front of my body. Okay, this is how we execute this. Yeah, we have even something if this guy is a little bit lower here because he wants to put more pressure on this way. I'm going to show you afterwards. Got that? But this is going to be the first practice. Let's go and have some fun. Okay?
Thank you, Sifu.